What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Brix Sienna 21-inch carry-on spinner I picked up at off Saks Fifth Avenue for $99, down from $242, a savings of about 58%. Out of 5 stars, this gets 4 out of 5. Out of 3 customer reviews, the bag does come in about 5 different colors, but is only available in 3 on Saks Fifth Avenue's website: black, navy blue, and red. Today in front of us, I have the navy blue version. It's got some brown pull tabs, it's got a brown Brix logo, it's got some gold zippers, so I think you can get a good idea of the style of this bag or the person it is trying to be sold to. Starting with the material, it's lightweight. The bag is 6 pounds, a polyamide, which as soon as you see the suitcase for the first time, you'll instantly recognize it. It's soft and cool to the touch, and most importantly, durable with medium moisture wicking abilities, low breathability, and medium heat retention properties. A spinner is a 4-wheel piece of luggage as opposed to a 2-wheel piece of luggage. Just thought I would throw that in there. Usually when I review items like bags or packs from places like Walmart or Target, or items that have zippers that I bought for cheap, as you can see, the zippers run smooth. They also feel pretty durable. So let's start with the main compartment on the front of the bag, which is actually pretty interesting because if we actually unzip it, we actually get some space above the zipper itself, which makes this pocket more of an opening. Yeah, and actually it goes pretty much the entire height of the bag. You could easily store a pair of sneakers in here. You could easily store an iPad, a laptop, maybe even some documentation if you'd like in a manila folder. And you can see these zippers just run super smooth. What you'll notice about this front main pocket actually is the zipper is actually hooded. At the very top of the bag is another pocket. This is a real pocket because there actually isn't any space above the zipper, but it is wide and it is fairly deep. This pocket is great for, say, a wallet, a cell phone, a boarding pass, a pair of earbuds bundled up. In between the front main compartment and the front pocket is the Brix logo, also with some very nice and robust stitching, which does hold it in place. A little dull is the fact the grab handles, which sit atop the bag and at the side of the bag for easy handling, are made of the same polyamide fabric the bag itself is constructed out of. In order to give this bag a little bit more characteristic and a little bit more contrast, they probably could have gone with either a rubber or a leather handle. Maybe at $99 this is acceptable, but definitely not at $242. It could be a Tommy Bahama with some additional style points. Take away the leather and gold zippers and replace them with rubber silver ones, and you have something closer to a Samsonite. The bag is very lightweight, it's 6 pounds, and what I've actually noticed about this bag when holding it from the grab handle is that it actually becomes a bit of a duffel bag because of the heavy, thick fabric. The bag does have rubber feet. They're on the side of the bag and match the leather zippers in brown. And of course, at the back of the bag, or top of the bag really, is the retractable handle. I have noticed that there is a slight twist in the handle itself. Maybe not something that I would worry about entirely. And last but not least, you'll notice that everything retracts. As you can see, these zippers just run so smooth. What's actually really nice is you get this large main compartment here on the door itself. And as you can see, you get a really nice user guide in the box itself, or in the bag itself, excuse me. You'll actually notice the inside of the bag here has a really nice pocket, again, for storing additional items, probably toiletries. Great for a carry-on size. You could easily put a pair of sneakers in at the bottom here. There's a nice strap to hold things in. There is another zipper that runs along the bottom of the bag to give you access beneath this cover here. So the bag is 6 pounds. It's 14.5 inches wide by 19 inches high by 7 inches deep. If you guys are in need of a new carry-on bag, now is the time to look, and Saks Fifth Avenue, or excuse me, off Saks Fifth Avenue is a great place to look. So the Brix Sienna 21-inch carry-on spinner bag I picked up at off Saks Fifth Avenue for $99, down from $242. A 58% savings. Is a big box good because I picked it up at off Saks Fifth Avenue, a department store. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first look at the Brix Sienna 21-inch carry-on spinner. Now is not the best time to travel, but it might be a really good time to start looking at luggage for next year and the year after. Anyways, guys, I figured I would just make a quick little fun little video for you guys today. This is a review channel. My name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like what you saw, hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.